First, when you go to the search bar here, you type text to speech. Then here you can see change the text to speech setting. From here, you need to install everything. But you need to install everything from here. You click plus so that you can add the voice. You tick everything. This is the first step to download everything, to select everything until at the bottom, everything until to the bottom. Then once you click add, it will start download. You will start download everything from here. Then after finish download, show you all of the language pack here. That is for you.
So adding these voices, I have the voices, I have the registry. This one is for Mark, this is for Eva, and this is for Kotha. So first you double click on that mark like this. Yes, yes, yes. Then Eva you can. Then Kotha registry 1 and 2. You can double click and add into your registry. Then close this application and open these voices. It will try to give